Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. To my returning subscribers and viewers, you're welcome. Thank you for watching. Today we're going to learn how to make a turban cap. This was originally a top, so upcycle this into a turban cap. So first we're going to cut the back piece off and keep the remaining scrap material. We're going to check out the part of the material that stretches the most, so it's this way, the horizontal part. We're going to fold the fabric into two. You're going to be folding the right side because it's the right side we're going to be sewing. We're going to double the fabric into two. We'll turn it out and fold the right side. After we've gotten the part that stretches the most and folding it into two based on the right side, you're going to fold it again into four. We need it into four parts before we start sewing. We also have to check underneath if the material is properly arranged so that by the time we start sewing it's not going to affect. Now we're going to take out our hand needle and thread. I'm using a black thread that matches what I'm sewing. Use the thread based on the color of the fabric that you're using. After folding, passing the needle around the thread, you're going to fold it. You're going to tie the thread like twice so that it's thick enough not to pass out from the clothes. Okay, do well to check the material that is underneath and make sure that it's properly arranged. And next we're going to start sewing from the base of the material to the top part of the material. So from the top part, when you start stitching with your needle and thread, you're going to be stitching big stitches and they should be in gathers format. Also do well to adjust the side to make sure that we're not leaving any piece out. We're going to be stitching it gently, and by the time we get to this side, after stitching, you're going to start taking it downward to the side of the fabric. Once you've gotten to the end of the stitching, you're going to tie your thread so that your stitches are safe. You're not going to be losing anytime soon. You're going to tie it twice, and once you're done, you trim out, cut out the thread, and then you're going to turn it out to the right side. But before then, you stitch out the excessive part so it doesn't look bulgy on the outside. So this is the final look of our cap. This is how it looks like. You can make as many as you want in different sizes and in different colors for whoever you wish to give it to.